like a Hellcat.
It's beautiful, but it can be deadly. We had a crazy experience here in Virginia where people were stuck on I-95 for up to 48 hours. They're calling it the perfect storm. Oh my God, you guys. It was just, I don't think I would have survived out there. I don't like being in a car for a couple of hours. 48 hours? These people here were stuck on the I-95 in Virginia. However, this guy delivering bread opened up the back of his truck and gave out bread to everyone he could. So there is still good in the world. People still supporting one another. Senator Tim Kaine was stuck for 27 hours. He tweeted this out. And then he also said that a couple that was coming from Florida gave out oranges. So it was people out there trying to support. Thank God everybody.